I can touch on a couple of key lessons that we learned along the way. For one particular project, there was a plan in place to revise the utility interconnection from a secondary to a primary service. The result of that was a higher short circuit contribution than had been originally anticipated. And unfortunately, the existing point of interconnection, the low voltage infrastructure, was not sufficient for the short circuit contribution. So that project has to be redeveloped. In many other cases, we have found that the anchor resource, the BESS, it's got to provide the power for all the loads in off-grid mode. And we find over and over there's a lack of understanding of the load profile for these microgrid projects. And that's something we can help out with our site visits and load studies. We can provide the resources the customers need to make informed decisions on the size of their equipment, both the power and the storage capacity. And that's something we're working on right now on a project that we're developing with a customer in California. We studied the loads, we collected all of the information, we defined the loads, we checked the specs on the transformers, the motor contributions, and we took that to the BESS manufacturers and gave them the opportunity to size their equipment for the loads. And we think that that process is an improvement. It's going to make things go more smoothly.